Bring your truck down
Bring your truck down there. Get right ourselves here. Bring your truck up in there, kid. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Fun of the South. I'm Paul, and you know Jill. And we're down here in Pigeon Forge today. It's Wednesday. There's a rod run this weekend. But there is already more cars than you can shake a stick at down here. And they're lining the Parkway in their lawn chairs and hot rods. And I don't know. If you've never been here during a rod run, it's interesting, frustrating, and kind of WTFing the whole time you're here because it literally takes, what, 45 minutes to go a mile?
Possibly more.
Possibly more. And you have burning out. Not just it's just all kinds of what have you happening.
It's fun though.
It is fun,
I guess. If you like that kind of thing.
Yeah, I mean it's fun to walk around, but most people that don't live around here don't get to see this, right?
Right.
And if you've never seen it, God love you, because you're probably better off.
And if you're local, you wonder why people travel for miles to sit in lawn chairs
Right.
and watch traffic go by at a very slow pace.
And that's what they do. They sit in lawn chairs. Like here's a couple of lawn chairs right up here. Lawn chairs, Georgia plates. You see them from everywhere. Doesn't matter. But anyways, what we're trying to get at is we're going to try to show this to you in a different way. We're going to try to show you an aerial journey of the Parkway during a rod run, pre-rod run as it were, starting at Wares Valley Road in Pigeon Forge and flying the aerial tour down the Parkway all the way to the spur. That's what we're going to try to do. Right?
We can do it.
We can do it.
We're doing it.
We're doing it. So sit back.
Let's do it.
Get out your lawn chair. Let's see what we see. You ready?
Yeah.
Up and away. finish it up, here's a little clip of the Great Smoky Mountains heading towards Gatlinburg. Well, guys, there you go. That's the drone footage of the Parkway here in Pigeon Forge. Pre-rod run Wednesday, rod run Saturday. But anyways, we figured we'd just mix it up a little. Put a little aerial tour out there for you so you could see what we see every day. Not from that angle, but bird's eye view.
Yeah.
If you like that aerial stuff, if you like the drone stuff, let us know. We like to read the comments anyways. Leave a comment, let us know what you thought. What else you got here?
That's it.
That's it. So if you like it, like, share, and subscribe. It lets us know you care. And until next time, we'll see you later.
Adios.